Hello, I'm Carl Bromwich. I'm Director of Qmotion. Qmotion encompasses the whole of the automation systems, mechanical and electrical and electronic. As the Qmotion engineers are degree qualified engineers, most of them within the Institute of Engineers, so we aim for high quality professional people. With Sochi we had basically 200 carriages running on a rail, but there was no method of communication available off the shelf to talk to these carriages, to control them. So our technical team developed a complete new system to communicate to these carriages. So this was completely off the grid electronics, out of the box thinking we had to put in to get this to work. There was no standard item we could do. So the outcome was that we managed to get all of the drives to work, all of the carriages to move, and we could see all the carriages. And it wasn't just a case of one operator seeing the carriages. We had 14 different people all looking at the carriages simultaneously, which was a major feat of control technology for us. All you could hear to control it was like, I don't know, it was just constant chatter and constant, a noise of what's going on. And it's really, without being in there, it's really dynamic. It's very difficult to explain the tension, and it's very difficult to explain what it's like being in there. But at the end of the day, when it all goes, and that's the end of the show, we all sit back and go, brilliant. The most interesting thing about the department is it's always a challenge. There's always somebody comes to you with an idea, and you have absolutely no idea how you can achieve that, and you just think, I've got to, I want to, that's a great idea, how are we going to do it?